At Blueprint Cabinets, we're curious by nature, and we also use cabinets every day. So you're coming into the kitchen, you want to grab something quickly, and then leave in a hurry, right? So you come in, you get your thing, maybe you walk into the door, maybe you open the door super fast. And we want to see how much force it takes to actually rip the door off the hinges. So we've got this set up here. We've got the strap set up over here to a ratchet to a force meter. So we're going to measure how much it actually takes to rip this door off and destroy the door. So we are at 0 here. We have the anchor on the wall here. We have the scale zeroed out, and we're gonna just start slowly, ever so slowly moving. So that's 5 pounds of pressure, 5.8, 5.9, 6.7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25. Heard a creak at 25. So that's 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So 30, 32. I heard another creak at 32. 33. I'm holding it at 33. Moving to 34 just now. So we're locked in at 35 there. And we're going to 36, 37, 38. Definitely creaking. 39. So that topped out at 39.
Oh, failure.
I can smell the failure.
Was that 39?
I mean, so we get the start of failure there. It's ripped the hinge out of the box on the bottom.
Oh.
The top is starting.
Should we take it to failure?
But it's come free. Yeah, I propose we continue cranking. So at 39, it's ripped free. Which, I mean, it was a slow going, but 39 does not seem like very much. The top one has now ripped itself out. It's imminently, I mean, there's nothing really, there's not much material holding it.
Oh, what is holding it?
There, like that.
Oh, the inner screw.
The inner screw is, I guess, doing something.
So we got back up to 30. That's 33. I feel like...
There it goes.
I think that was that.
So really we hit substantial failure at 39.
Yeah.
And then beyond that, it was not recoverable.
So you can see here, as to be expected, it just pulled this out. Kind of just flaked the whole thing apart. Top one wasn't quite as dramatic, but it just pulled out there. You can see the fiberboard, the press board is just flaky. See where it was levering against the end caps there. So there you have it.
6.5 hours later.
Alrighty, here we
Blueprint
go.
cabinet hinge pull test commence. Pull test in.
That tension, we're pretty much at 0 here. Here we go. That's 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30, 31, 31.5, 32, 33. We're definitely hearing some movement, some creaking. 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, got up to 48.
I think it's actually the door that's gonna separate.
Interesting.
Yeah.
51, 53, 54. So at 54, we definitely heard some audible.
Yeah. So it's actually the bottom rail, just because it's a 5-piece rail.
Yeah.
So that's interestingly the fault point. But I mean, I will say this, even at 51, probably you put that back, I think that would close itself up. And, you know, you might always have a crack there,
All right.
but it could handle a little bit more.
55, 56, 57, 58, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Now we're soon going to be pulling this way, not actually pulling it around its hinge. 69, 70, 71, 72. What's happening?
That's the face frame starting.
Okay. Oh, we got some cracking here on the face frame, for sure. We're still under tension too, so. Door is definitely feeling the stress all in here. It's kind of opening a little bit in there.
Oh, it's going, keep going.
That was
The face frame is
back up to 70. Okay, interesting.
separating.
Nothing we were too surprised about there. So that's hovering around 72 every time it kind of lets go. That's 75, 76, 77, 78, 80, and it popped again. 75 again.
That's failure.
Failure!
That's failure for sure, yeah. You're having to write this one in.
Yeah. But, I mean, it did make
80 versus 39.
80 versus 39, so it failed it. I mean, you know, we had some failure, but call it sizable failure at 80. I'll take that, count it as a win, I think.
Yeah. Do you want to rip it all the way off?
Sure.
Just for
shits and gigs.
Yeah.
I mean,
get the best
going in
shot.
the dumpster at this point.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Take a peek at that. That's a good shot.
Carnage. Cabinets, cabinets, cabinets. Carnage, carnage, carnage. Yeah, it's not, you don't really have the mechanical angle anymore. Take it to Valhalla. Valhalla? Valhalla! Oh. Look at how well the joint held up. Pretty impressive, actually.
So at the end of the day, cabinet testing like this isn't just about breaking stuff. It's about showing what can happen over years of extended everyday use. Kids hanging off the doors, doors being slammed, all of that adds up over time. When a cabinet is built stronger from the start, with better materials, better construction methods, it just tends to hold up better in real life and lasts a lot longer. That's why we build the cabinets the way we do here at Blueprint Cabinets. The plywood box, the solid wood face frames give the hinges a really solid foundation so that you know when you get a Blueprint cabinet, your cabinets are gonna last a while, your hinges are gonna have a solid foundation, and you're gonna have a kitchen that looks great for years to come.